If equipped, you'll find the heated front seat controls on the touchscreen. From the Controls menu, press Heated Seat to activate the system. Press the control once to choose high or twice to choose low. Press it a third time to turn the heater off. If high-level heating is selected, the system will automatically switch to low-level heating after a period of time and will eventually shut off automatically. And here's a great feature. You can set your heated seats and heated steering wheel to come on automatically when specific temperatures are reached. Select More on the touchscreen and then Settings. Now, scroll to Auto On Comfort and Remote Start. From here, select Auto On Driver Heated Seat and Steering Wheel with Vehicle Start. When this feature is selected, the driver's heated seat and steering wheel will automatically turn on when temperatures are below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.4 degrees centigrade. Also under Controls, you'll see Screen Off. Pressing this button turns the display screen off. To turn the display screen on again, just touch the screen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.